Next, we have learned parallelograms. Now we will see some special parallelograms. What's a parallelogram? Still we have learned. See, a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel. Like these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. This is called parallelogram. As these are parallel, we have also seen that the sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And also we have seen opposite angles are also equal. So these sides are equal. This side is equal. And these angles are equal. This is what parallelogram is. Now, in this, we will see some special types. In this parallelogram, if all four sides are equal, then it will become rhombus. A special parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. For that, a name is given as rhombus. Let us see how it will be. Four sides will be equal. This is rhombus. So, as this is also a parallelogram, we can say these two sides are equal. In the same way, these two are also equal. Why? Because all four sides are equal. Now, if you remember a kite, do you remember a kite? A kite. Here, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, but these lengths are not equal. In this, if we make adjacent sides as equal, then we will get the same figure. One more special property of these figures is, remember in this kite, these two diagonals are there, they intersect perpendicularly. The angle between them is 90 degrees. In the same way, in a rhombus also, if we draw a diagonals, then this angle will be 90 degrees. This is an important feature in the rhombus. Let us prove it. Now, let us name it as A, B, C, D. Now, see, all sides are equal. Now, and this side, both are equal. Now, let us see this AD and AB. These two sides are equal. Now, consider this big triangle. In that triangle, there are two triangles. This part and this part. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent. These are congruent. How? Simple. This length equal, side equal, and this side equal, and this is a common side. So all three sides are equal. By using yes congruency, we can say triangle DAO. Let us name it as O. DAO is congruent to triangle AOB. AOB. These two triangles are congruent. So, obviously the angles will be equal. So, this angle and this angle is same. Right? These two angles are equal. And this is a linear pair. Complete is 180 degrees. This complete is 180 degrees and these two are same. So, that means these two are 90 degrees. Simple. Total is 180. Both are equal. So, it will be 90 and 90. So, by this we can say this is 90, 90. Similarly, by taking these two we can say 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. So, all are 90 degrees. So, we will say diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So, let us take in this way. This is a rhombus. Looks like a kite, but all sides are equal. In that case, diagonals bisects each other and also perpendicular. This is a special feature of rhombus. Let us understand this by one small example. Let RICE is a rhombus and diagonals bisects each other, that is perpendicularly. Now we will find the value of x, y and z by using our known properties. Now how do we find the value of x? We know that these are perpendicular bisectors. So what is the value of x? This is given. Let us take this as a O. IO is given as 5. So EO will be obviously this x. EO will be same as IO. Why? Why? Because this is bisecting each other. So the lengths will be equal. By this we can say x equal to 5. Next, y. In the same way, this is 12, so this will be 12. So y equal to, this y equal to CO, that is equal to OR, equal to 12. Then z. How to find the value of z? This z, opposite sides are equal. So do we know this value? We don't know. So how can we find? The property of rhombus is all four sides are equal. Not only opposite, all four sides are equal. So if we know one side, we can find any side. So here, one side is given as 13. So as all four sides are equal, we can say this is also 13. So z equal to 13. So in a rhombus, all four sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to one another.